I'm Lucy.
Hi, I'm Dylan.
Hi, and I'm Adriana.
Hello, Cheetahs!
Welcome to the OLL Cheetah News.
And happy spring!
4th grade went to Shark Valley this week. They learned all about how we can help the animals and the ecosystem that is there.
You can check out more pictures on our Facebook page.
We had our AR celebration this week. Did you get your AR goal?
Since it's the beginning of the quarter, now is the time to start reading toward your goal.
In STREAM class, 6th and 7th grade students learned about simple machines.
They worked with a team to design, construct, and improve marble runs made out of different materials. Let's see how they came out.
Perfect. Very good. There.
Those looked fun to make.
They sure did. It is time to register for summer camp with Miss Anexa and Miss Anna. This is for ages 3 through 8. The flyers can be found in the office or on Plus portals.
Hey Coach, what's the joke of the week?
Hello Cheetah Nation and welcome to Coach's Corny Joke of the Week. I know you guys are all excited because it's almost spring break. Are you excited for spring break?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got the special guest here. He's my nephew. What's your name?
Javier.
Javier. And he has a cool little Easter hat because pre-K celebrated their Easter parade today. So very cool. Are you ready for an Easter joke?
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's the Easter joke of the week. Why can't you tell an Easter egg a joke? Because it might crack up. Happy Easter!
The countdown is on for Easter break.
This Sunday is Palm Sunday.
Next Tuesday, we will have the Stations of the Cross.
And then Holy Thursday is our first day of Easter break.
The week that we come back, we will be having Career Day on April 12th.
Please email Miss Peña at mpeña@olonet.com if you or someone you know would like to present at our career day.
Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Always check Plus Portals, your emails and messages from Miss Picasso to stay update on everything that happens at OLL.
Have a great Easter break!